Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. Also comes with the AMG package with a AMG diamond style grille up front, AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch AMG wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB-Tex Dynamica red stitching interior, panorama sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, ambient lights, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to use it as a smart device. Dual clamp controls, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The CLA has 1,059 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.